Hi, ladies, and welcome to the United Female Bosses YouTube channel. Our mission is to empower women with the knowledge, tools, and community support needed for building successful businesses and attaining financial freedom. At the root of financial freedom is financial literacy. So let's dive into that topic today. Financial literacy is the ability to understand and manage money effectively. It encompasses a wide range of skills and knowledge that are essential for making sound financial decisions. From budgeting and saving to investing and planning for retirement, financial literacy is a crucial life skill. It's about making informed decisions about earning, spending, saving, and investing. When you are financially literate, you can create a budget that works for you, save for future goals, and invest wisely to grow your wealth. It also means understanding how to use credit responsibly and avoid debt traps. Financial literacy empowers you to take control of your finances and achieve your goals. It gives you the confidence to make decisions that align with your financial objectives, whether it's buying a home, starting a business, or planning for retirement. With financial literacy, you can navigate the complexities of the financial world with ease. This guide will break down the essentials of financial literacy, providing you with the knowledge and tools to make smart financial decisions. We will cover topics such as budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. Each section is designed to give you practical tips and strategies that you can apply to your own financial situation. Whether you're just starting or looking to enhance your understanding, this guide offers valuable insights for women of all ages and backgrounds. Financial literacy is not a one-size-fits-all concept. It can be tailored to fit your unique needs and goals. By understanding the basics, you can build a strong financial foundation and make informed decisions that will benefit you in the long run. Remember, financial literacy is not about being a financial expert. It's about having the confidence and knowledge to manage your money wisely. You don't need to have a degree in finance to be financially literate. All it takes is a willingness to learn and apply the principles of good money management. Financial literacy is a journey, not a destination. As you continue to learn and grow, you'll find that managing your finances becomes easier and more intuitive. You'll be able to set and achieve financial goals, avoid common pitfalls, and build a secure financial future for yourself and your family. Let's embark on this journey to financial empowerment together. By taking the time to educate yourself about financial literacy, you are investing in your future. Together, we can build a community of financially empowered women who are confident in their ability to manage their money and achieve their dreams. So, let's get started and take the first step towards financial literacy and empowerment. I bet you already know how crucial a budget is for your financial success. A budget is a plan for your money. It serves as a roadmap, guiding you towards your financial goals and helping you make informed decisions about your spending and saving habits. It tracks your income and expenses, providing a clear picture of your financial health. By regularly reviewing your budget, you can identify areas where you might be overspending and make adjustments accordingly. Helping you understand where your money is going is crucial. This awareness allows you to take control of your finances, ensuring that you are not caught off guard by unexpected expenses. Start by listing all sources of income. This includes your salary, any freelance work, rental income, and even small side gigs. Knowing exactly how much money is coming in each month is the first step in creating a realistic budget. Then, track your expenses, categorizing them as needs and wants. This distinction helps you prioritize your spending and identify areas where you can cut back if necessary. Needs are essentials like housing, food, and transportation. These are the non-negotiable expenses that you must cover to maintain your basic standard of living. Wants are things you desire but can live without, like entertainment and dining out. While these expenses can enhance your quality of life, they are not essential and can be adjusted based on your financial situation. Allocate your income to cover your needs first. This ensures that your essential expenses are always met, providing a stable foundation for your financial health. Then prioritize your wants based on your financial goals. By aligning your discretionary spending with your long-term objectives, you can enjoy the present while also preparing for the future. Remember, a well-planned budget is not just about restriction, it's about making your money work for you. I don't think people understand how crucial it is to build a financial safety net. Saving is setting aside money for future use. It provides a financial safety net for emergencies and helps you achieve long-term goals. Start by setting a savings goal, whether it's for an emergency fund, a down payment on a house, or retirement. Determine how much you can realistically save each month and automate your savings by setting up regular transfers to a separate savings account. Consider using different savings accounts for different goals to track your progress easily. You need to hear this if you're looking to grow your wealth. Investing is putting your money to work for you. It involves buying assets like stocks, bonds, or real estate that have the potential to increase in value over time. Investing helps you build wealth and reach your financial goals faster. Start by understanding your risk tolerance and investment timeline. Consider diversifying your investments by spreading your money across different asset classes to minimize risks. Did you know that debt isn't always a bad thing? It can be manageable if used wisely, like for a business or education, but excessive debt can lead to financial stress. Prioritize paying down high-interest debt first, such as credit card debt. Explore options like debt consolidation or balance transfers to lower interest rates and simplify payments. Create a debt repayment plan and stick to it, tracking your progress along the way. Pay close attention to these scenarios if you struggle with managing your finances. Imagine Sarah, a young professional, wants to buy a house in 5 years. She creates a budget, reduces unnecessary expenses, and automates monthly savings towards her down payment goal. Now, meet Maria, a single mother struggling with credit card debt. She creates a debt repayment plan, negotiates lower interest rates with her creditors, and finds ways to supplement her income. All women need to hear this. Financial literacy is crucial for women's empowerment. It is the foundation upon which women can build a secure and independent future. By understanding financial concepts, women can take control of their economic lives and make decisions that benefit themselves and their families. It provides financial independence, reduces reliance on others, and allows women to make informed decisions about their lives. With financial literacy, women can budget effectively, save for future goals, and invest wisely. This knowledge helps them to avoid debt traps and plan for emergencies. When women are financially literate, they can pursue their dreams, support their families, and contribute to their communities with confidence. They can start their own businesses, which not only provides personal satisfaction, but also creates job opportunities for others. Financially literate women are better equipped to volunteer and lead community initiatives, driving positive change. Financial literacy equips women to overcome financial challenges, negotiate fair wages, and break free from potentially vulnerable situations. They can seek professional advice when needed and make strategic decisions to improve their financial health. This empowerment helps them to stand strong in the face of economic adversity. It empowers them to be equal partners in financial decision making and create a more secure future for themselves and their families. By understanding investments, insurance, and retirement planning, women can ensure long-term financial stability. This knowledge fosters equality in relationships and promotes a balanced approach to managing household finances. Practical tips for financial success, your guide to prosperity. Everybody is looking for ways to achieve financial success. Start small and be patient with yourself. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is financial security. Track your spending, even if it's just for a month, to understand your spending habits. Set realistic financial goals that align with your values and aspirations. Automate your savings and investments to make it effortless. If you're a woman looking to boost your financial knowledge, you need to explore these resources. Numerous resources are available to enhance your financial literacy. Websites like Investopedia, NerdWallet, and UnitedFemaleBosses.com offer valuable articles and tools. Consider attending workshops or webinars on budgeting, investing, and debt management. Explore financial literacy programs offered by community organizations like the United Female Bosses University program we offer. Don't hesitate to seek guidance from financial advisors who can provide personalized advice. It's my passion to help women succeed financially by being the mentor I needed when I started my journey. So my door is always open to you all. DM me or send me an email for faster response. This is why you need resilience in your financial journey. Financial challenges are a part of life, but they don't have to define your financial journey. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Communicate openly with your loved ones about your financial situation and seek support from financial professionals. Remember that setbacks are temporary, and with determination and the right knowledge, you can overcome them and achieve your financial goals. Embracing a financially secure future is your path to peace of mind. Most people don't understand that financial literacy is an ongoing journey, not a destination. Embrace continuous learning, adapt your financial strategies as needed, and celebrate your achievements along the way. Remember, financial security is not just about wealth accumulation. It's about having peace of mind, making informed choices, and living a fulfilling life on your own terms. Start your journey towards financial empowerment today and create a brighter future for yourself and generations to come. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for weekly videos on how to become a financially free woman. All social media links are under this video. Follow us on all platforms to stay updated on the latest United Female Bosses news.